I'm just gonna turn this around here, and I wanna look at these wires and get the kinks out. And mind you, this is just stranded wire, and which means there's lots of little pieces of wire, and then they twist it together. And so the ends of these, I'm just gonna twist and make sure they're all together, straighten it out, because they're gonna go up in that wire nut. Okay. I could strip those wires back just a hair because they're going into yellow wire nuts. Okay, maybe I'll do that just for kicks. That way I can take the wire, because see, right now I only got about 3/8 sticking out. That way I can take the wire and kind of wrap it around the other one just slightly. Okay, so I'm just taking off a little bit, and I like to pinch it with the shorter one, and then I don't try to pull it off on that one, because if I get the wrong number on here, I could pull off some of those strands. So I kind of crease it, and then I go into a bigger one and see if I can't pull it off, and I did. Okay, and I didn't pull off any of the strands. If you end up pulling off any of the strands, that's really not a good thing, right? Okay, I do that. Okay, so that's pretty much ready, Freddy, to go up there. And now I'm going to get back up there. I'm going to test those wires. I'm going to test the wires with my wire tester. And actually, before I go up there with my wire testers, it's always kind of a good idea to get into the habit of testing out your wire tester. Make sure your wire tester is working. Look at this. I got some cover plates to put on. See there? I know it's working because the orange light's on. Could you imagine if your tester wasn't working and you went up and you were doing something like a light fixture or a electrical outlet somewhere, and you're thinking, and you're testing it, and then you find out your tester's bad only because you go to strip a wire or something that shocks the bajunior out of you. Okay, so I'm gonna get up here. I think you can see it from where you're at, can't you? Oh, maybe not. Oh, look at that. I was shining you on the sprinkler in the condo. Fortunately for us, they got sprinklers in the condo. Fire sprinklers. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna carefully take these off, and I'm gonna test this really quick. I'm pretty sure I've got it off. Yeah, I got it off. I'm curious now what light switch that is on. Oh, I think it might, you know what? It might, it's probably that very first one. Okay, I turn the light switch on that I think it is for, and sure enough, I can see the orange light. I don't know if you can see it from there. Do you see it? Okay. Whatever you do when you're working with electrical, make sure your power's off. And it cracks me up because I usually just turn it off right at the light switch. And some people say, hey Joe, you really don't have the power off all the way. You probably should turn that off from the breaker. And technically, I think they're right on that, because you still should have power going to the neutral wire. You know, even though you can't test it with anything, because it makes a loop, and lots of times your white wire could have power to it. All right, Okay, but mine doesn't, and I'm okay. Okay, so my next step is to get up there with the light fixture and connect those wires. Black to black, white to white, and ground to ground. See, you can do this. Okay, so I got to get up there. This fixture is kind of heavy to a certain extent. I mean, not that heavy, but once I get up there, it's only going to be connected with the wires. You know what I mean? And it's going to be hanging until I can lift it up there and screw it in all the way. And what I'm going to want to do is kind of look at this and see which way to have this. And I've got some writing up here, and I think I want that label on that back side. I can always adjust these heads however I want. There's a way to swivel them and adjust them, and there's a little set screw on them and all that kind of good stuff. And see, I got to hold this up here with one hand and try to wrap it with the other hand and hope that I don't drop this whole thing. And I think I'll be all right. I think I'll be all right. See, I should kind of get up here with my taller ladder. See, I might have to hold it like this. I could wrap it around my finger, let's say. Oh, there we go. Do that. And now I can attach that wire. That's my ground wire. Okay. There, that kind of worked out pretty good. Okay, pull on that a little bit. And this one, it's connected to a wire nut, so I gotta be kind of careful with that. Kind of keeping the pressure off it. See, I can kind of hold it up here like that. And remember, I stripped that wire just a little bit longer, and so now I can kind of wrap it around just the end and get that one. Boy. Now what I could have done is I had a taller ladder in here. See, I'm still kind of hanging on to the weight of this. I guess I want to twist this over this way. And I'm going to hang on to this whole light fixture with my hand. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Boy. Give it some good twist, make sure it's on there tight. In this particular light fixture, I could have used orange wire nuts, which are one size smaller than that, but they had yellows, and so there you go, like that. Okay, I don't have too much weight on the white and black wire. The main weight is on this ground wire. I just have to kind of be careful with that. Okay, now I got to get my my little screws. See if I can't get back up there with one of these little screws. And I'm just gonna kind of angle this stuff into a circle. Okay. Just kind of tilt it around. Act as though it's going into an electrical outlet box, let's say. Okay. And then I can push this up there. And it looks like it's going to go. Oh, good grief. Okay. Wow. It's right up there tight to the sheetrock ceiling. Wow. Gotta hold my mouth just right. Get that screw up in there. Good Lord. Okay, I got it. No, I don't have it. There it goes. I'm hoping to get that other side. I'm not going to tighten it all the way. I just want to get it a little bit. Okay. Okay. There's one. Oh, look at that. Boy, that's not good. I should have positioned myself a different direction. Okay.